Okay. Here we have our station. And if we walk through here. Let's put it in F1 mode. We have checked baggage economy, checked baggage first class. I'm going to hold my baggage in my hand. I have, if I take a look, I have some golden armor and some horse armor. I have checked baggage. I go in here. I place it here. It gets launched. It goes in there. Now, if I was lucky to have first class, I could take this way. And then this is where the luggage comes out. Ready to board the train. I will figure out a way to put this in something that would put it on the train, but there's not a train currently built. It's currently disassembled over there. But yeah. This has been our server. There's the train. With our super cool crushing wheel thing here. We land. Which is launch back up because of magical powers. Stuff goes in that chest there. Goes down this chute. Let me get up. Up that chute. Or down the chute. The chute goes up that okay. Goes in here. What's under here is these crushing wheels. Gets crushed up. Stuff that isn't stuff like that, like nuggets, goes in this filter here. Comes out, gets smelted, goes in here. So, do I have ore? I do. Let's take some copper ore. Put that in there. It goes through there. You can see the machines start crushing things, and it comes right through. It gets smelted. Usually takes a little bit. That goes all right in. If I look in here, there's 36 in there. If I take out my little pouch, put it on the exit thing, put this here, and then just like that, it gets put in the bag. The main idea for this is that you'll be able to drive the train up. The train will connect with that, and it'll put it on the train that way. If we want to do large runs with ore. Okay.